This is lecture 288. In this lecture, we try to find out the length of the plastic hinge. Length of the plastic hinge. So simply suppose a beam of length L carries a point load 8 center. Find the length of the plastic hinge. If the safe factor is Ks. If safe factor is given Ks, how will find out the plastic hinge? So let's see if it is a beam. This is A point, this is a B point, and let the plastic hinge length is LP. LP is the length of plastic hinge. Length of plastic hinge. Plastic hinge. Plastic hinge. So what is there? If you see that up here the moment is MP. MP moment is here up to here. Up to here is vertical, ordinate is MP. And what is the this ordinate? This ordinate is how much? This ordinate is how much? This ordinate is M. This you can say O dash, O dash you can say. So O dash equals to your MP minus MY. And what is the this total equal to MP? This is MP. So if you have relation MP minus My divided by this MP, what you will get? This MP, this distance, and this relation is divided by this. So this you can say this is vertical, this is whole vertical, this is half a vertical. So half vertical means O dash. This is O dash divided by your MP. So O dash means this. If you take a triangle like this is your triangle like this. So what is this? This is your MP minus My. And what is this distance? This distance is your LP. So this means this perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular divided by base. What is the perpendicular divided by base? Is MP minus My divided by base. So what is this? This is MP divided by LP. This is MP divided by LP. This is MP divided by MP minus My divided by LP equals to your this whole is your MP divided by L. So this MP divided by L equals to this MP by L. This MP by L will be something like that. So you can assume here this is equals to your LP upon L. LP upon L. This ratio goes, if you divide this whole, this MP by My, LP divided by MP by L, you will find LP by L. So this will be your LP by L. That is right. This is your, so we can imagine something like that. We imagine this triangle and we imagine this whole triangle. So ratio of this LP by this, MP, this ordinate divided by this equals to this whole ordinate divided by this length, because this is covering like this. So this is a you can say symmetrical triangle. So we can have a relation something like that. So we are having a relation in this way, that is MP, you can have MP minus My divided by MP equals to your LP upon L. This is LP upon L. So this is your LP upon L. This is a LP by L. So what is MP? MP is your Fy into Zp minus Fy into Z divided by your MP. MP is how much? MP is your Fy into Zp. So this will be your 1 minus Z upon Zp. 1 minus this is Fy cancel out, Zp upon Zp 1, Z upon this Z upon ZP. So this is your Z upon ZP. So this is your 1 minus ZP equals to your ZP upon Z equals to your 1 by this is your Ks. 1 minus 1 Ks. See, this is equals to your LP upon L. So LP equals to your 1 minus 1 by Ks multiplied by L. So your length will be calculated in this way. So you can calculate the length like this. So what will be the value? So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 1.5 multiplied by L. So this is 1.5 minus 1 divided by 1.5. So this is 0.5 divided by 1.5. So this is 1/3 L. This is 1/3 L. So this is 1/3 L. LP equals to 1/3 L.